Whether your fleet vehicles are cars, light trucks, or big rigs, the key to profitability is keeping them on the road. Every minute in the shop is downtime. A fleet vehicle in the shop is not earning, and it's causing an increase in the price of maintenance personnel. Even a procedure as basic and necessary as a simple oil change is time-consuming and expensive, and today used oil is an environmental and operator concern. The conventional oil change, essentially unaltered for 100 years, is about to disappear forever. The future has arrived and is called ESOC, the Environmentally Safe Oil Change. ESOC is a revolutionary new way to change oil. ESOC is fast, cost-efficient, convenient, and clean. Plus, it addresses the environment and operator safety concerns surrounding used oil. ESOC means the end of the oil change as we know it. ESOC can change oil in a fraction of the time it takes in the conventional way. With ESOC, the technician simply connects the oil exchanger to the ESOC fittings on the vehicle. One patented connection at the oil pan and one at the inlet side of the oil filter. After the connections are made, the technician then programs the oil exchanger by following the simple instructions. Once programmed, the technician activates the system and ESOC takes over. Here's how ESOC works. First, ESOC purges the oil filter and oil passages by sending clean, dry air into the inlet side of the filter. At the same time, used oil is being pumped out of the oil pan and collected for recycling. During this time, an oil sample can be quickly, cleanly, and conveniently drawn for testing. ESOC provides a signal once the filter is purged. The filter can then be removed while the oil pan is then being pumped out. Know that there is no oil spill when the filter is removed, as most of the used oil has been purged. The technician can now install the new filter. It should be noted that the filter does not have to be pre-filled as in conventional oil changes. ESOC fills the filter automatically along with the engine and crankcase, making filter installation much easier. The ESOC oil exchanger automatically stops after the used oil is removed from the oil pan and signals that the drain connections can be removed. The ESOC purge is complete. The technician then continues to process by pressing the appropriate button, and a pre-selected amount of fresh oil is pumped through the inlet side of the new filter and into the lubricated passages. The technician is free to perform other maintenance tasks. When the engine is filled to the predetermined level, ESOC alerts the technician that the process is complete, all in a fraction of the time it takes for a conventional oil change. If an incorrect figure is accidentally programmed into the oil exchanger, the technician simply programs the ESOC oil exchanger to remove or add the appropriate amount. It is not necessary to remove the drain plug or guess how much to add as in conventional oil change methods. Once the ESOC process is complete, the technician disconnects the hoses and returns them to the oil exchanger. When the vehicle engine is started, the oil filter and engine oil passages are already filled with fresh filtered oil, so there is instant oil pressure. Since there is no startup pressure lag, there is no bearing burn or friction on other critical engine parts. This reduces engine wear and prolongs the life of the engine. Because ESOC is a closed-loop self-contained system, it minimizes operator contact with used engine oil, eliminates spills, and automatically collects used oil into an appropriate container for proper recycling. The closed loop also guarantees that the used oil is not contaminated with foreign materials, making the oil even more suitable for recycling. Faster, cost-efficient, safe, and convenient. ESOC frees up the technician to perform other tasks. ESOC is a world-class oil change. ESOC, the oil change of the future, is here now. For more information, contact your ESOC representative or call at 248-624-7992.